Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you've been wanting to create a custom landing page in Webflow but weren't sure where to start, you are in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to make a professional-looking landing page in Webflow, even if you're a total beginner. By the end, you'll have your own eye-catching landing page ready to go, and you'll know how to tweak it to fit your style and your goals. Alright, let's dive right in. Now, when you're building a landing page in Webflow, you actually have two main options. You can either start fresh with a blank page and build every section from scratch, or you can use one of Webflow's pre-made templates. Now, starting with a blank page is awesome if you want full creative control, like sculpting a masterpiece from a block of clay. But for most beginners, templates are a real lifesaver and they save you a ton of time. For this tutorial, we'll use the template route so you can see just how quickly you can get up and running. Inside Webflow, you'll find an entire template library. Take a moment to browse through. You'll notice there are lots of options, from minimalist designs to more colorful and dynamic ones. Don't stress too much about picking the perfect template. Remember, almost everything is fully customizable, so pick one that feels close to what you have in mind and will shape it to match your brand or style. Once you've selected your template, let's look at what makes a great landing page. Typically, you want a strong call to action, some clear value statements, social proof like testimonials, and if you're selling something, a pricing section. Webflow templates usually come with these sections baked in, but the real beauty is that you can add, remove, or completely rearrange them however you like. So for example, maybe you want an email sign-up form right at the top, or perhaps your page needs a prominent video section to introduce yourself or your product. It's all possible. Now here's a tip: think of your landing page as a story for your visitors. The template gives you the basic chapters like headlines, features, and reviews, but you get to decide how the story unfolds. Hover over each section in the Webflow Designer and you'll see you can edit text, swap out images, and really make it your own. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try changing colors to match your brand, adding your own logos, or even tweaking the layout a bit. If something doesn't look right at first, just undo and try again. Webflow's design tools are super flexible, so you're encouraged to get creative. If you want to add extra sections, maybe another call to action or a frequently asked questions box, just drag those elements in from the panel on the left. Watch how everything snaps into place. It might take a few moments to get the hang of moving things around, so don't worry if you need to play with it a bit. Think of this process like rearranging furniture in a new apartment. You might move your sofa a few times before it feels just right. That's totally normal. Once you're happy with your layout and content, make sure to preview your page. Click that little eye icon at the top and check how it looks on desktop and mobile devices. Landing pages need to look great on phones since so many people will be visiting from their mobile devices. Adjust spacing, font size, or image alignment if you need to until everything lines up nicely. There you have it, your very own landing page made in Webflow. With templates and Webflow's intuitive tools, you can create something unique in just a short time. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more easy-to-follow Webflow and website building tips. If you have any questions or want to see a specific tutorial next, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you all. Thanks for watching and happy designing.